Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Shopping, Fashion and Many More. I hope you all are well and safe. This is fourth update of my garden. So I show you some plants which grows with vegetables, and here we put some sticks with the cotton cloths that tie the plants, because some tomatoes are very heavy and the plants are go down. That's why put some sticks that hold the plants properly. And here you see we have some little plants of chilies, and here some tomatoes, and some green chilies that are turn black. I don't know why these chilies are turn black. If you know, then please tell me in the comment box. Here we grow some mint for chutney and other things, and my husband clean the garden. Some extra grass and other plants which are not usable, these are clear. We clear it because we want to grow some more plants here, like summer vegetables, so that's why we clean it. Here you can see some green capsicum are grow, and some salad here. There are so many tomatoes are here, and here we put some new seeds of pumpkin. Put into the place. And after that some water. Here we put some ladyfinger seeds in the flower bed, little holes down to earth, and put some put 2 to 4 seeds on every hole, and then cover it with the sand, and after that put some water. So that it goes to develop properly. Here some birds and animals are coming for food, and I think they fight with each other for food. here some tomatoes are turned red, so we pick all the tomatoes and green chilies. Friends, pick it with very easily and softly, that not break other tomatoes. And you can see these are the organic vegetables with no chemicals. Which we grow at home in our garden. And friends, it is a layer activity for free time, and it's give happiness. And mind feel fresh. It's very satisfied work at home if you are free. So friends, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you friends. Keep watching till end.